Hi guys, how are you all? I am back with another video. I want to talk about top 4 ways to use a liquid highlighter. I love that dewy glow, and especially in the summers we do not want to wear a lot of makeup but we want to shine. Now here are top 4 ways you can use a liquid highlighter and glow like a goddess. So yes, without further ado, we are quickly going to be diving in. So guys, the first way is going to be to use it over your lids. Now I love the shimmery effects on the lid. If you want to add a little bit of smudged kajal or liner, you can definitely go for that. But just a little bit of highlighter on the lids, oh god. I am in love with this look guys, and you close your eyes and you're gonna shine like a goddess. I loved how it turned out to be, so I thought why not share this hack with you guys. Also the liquid highlighter, which is currently my favorite and it is very affordable, is gonna be this shimmer drop liquid highlighter from NYB. It is very affordable. I will make sure that I give the product link in the description box below guys, so yes, you must check it out. It is highly recommended. I cannot emphasize enough how beautiful this product is. Next up is gonna be guys using on your cheeks. Now I know that we all use powdered highlighter, but believe me, this melts in your skin like magic. It looks so beautiful. It seems like your face is glowing from within. It melts like magic in your skin. It doesn't stand out, and whenever the light is gonna fall on your face, it is gonna look absolutely beautiful. It doesn't have those heavy sparkle chunks, so you do not have to worry about that at all. So yes, this is the next way you can use it. Just take a little bit on the finger, dab it on your cheeks, and you're gonna be good to go. So guys, next up is gonna be on your lips. Now if you want to have that beautiful metallic lips, all you need to do is take a little bit of liquid highlighter and just dab it onto your lips, and it is gonna make you glow like magic. One thing you guys need to take care of is do not apply it over a liquid lipstick, because liquid lipsticks settle more on your lips and it doesn't budge after that. Now if you take a bullet lipstick guys, it will kind of merge in your skin and it will also make your lips glow. So that is how you use it. So next up is gonna be for your face guys. Now you can use it as your makeup base and glow like a goddess. I love that stunning shimmery dewy look. So all you need to do is take a foundation and make sure that you are not taking a matte foundation. It is gonna be a dewy foundation which is not high coverage. After that, just take this liquid highlighter, mix both of these together. I use back of my hand to mix it all up, and then apply it on your face using a sponge or a brush, and it is gonna give you such a beautiful glow guys. And I like to mix it with my base even more than topping it up with that, because it gives you that beautiful natural glow. You're gonna look like you are shining from within. So yes, these were all the uses I really wanted to talk about. I really hope that you find the video helpful. These tips and tricks are gonna be very handy for your summer makeup guys. So this was it for this video. Also, if you are wondering what I've applied on my lashes, this is my newly found love, and this is by NYB I Love Mascara. First of all, it is very affordable. I was loving the mascara by L'Oreal before this Lash Paradise mascara. It is highly hyped one. But if you go for this one guys, there is no looking back. First of all, it is very affordable. Secondly, it is not going to be hassle to remove it. It is not waterproof and gives you beautiful curl and long lashes. So yes, I will make sure that I give the products links in the description box below. Please go and check them out. They're amazing. This is the first time that I have used NYB shimmer drops and also this mascara, and both of these products are my newly found love. So please go and check out the description box below. I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye.